video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's move on to today's recipe. Today we are making cheese garlic bread without oven. So let's see the ingredients. For this recipe, the first thing that you need is a bread. I am using this garlic bread loaf here. You can use any bread which you like. Second thing that we need is butter. I am using garlic and herb butter of Amul. If you don't find this, then you can use plain butter and mix it with garlic and some herbs. Another thing that we need is cheese. Here I am using pizza cheese, which is a mixture of mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, and you can easily find this at your local grocery shops. One more thing that you're gonna need are some vegetables. I am using these beautiful bell peppers, yellow, red and green. You can use veggies of your choice. Apart from these things, you're gonna need some seasoning. For seasoning, I am using black pepper and pasta seasoning, which has oregano, basil, thyme, rosemary, etc. You can use any seasoning that you like. So first we're gonna start off by cutting this beautiful loaf of bread. As you can see, I have sliced my breads, chopped my veggies and have grated cheese. Now we will season our cheese. First I am adding black pepper. You can season this according to your taste. Now I'll add this pasta seasoning into the cheese. Now I will give this cheese a little toss. So our cheese is done. Now we will assemble our toast. First I am gonna butter this toast on both the sides. Now I will add veggies to the toast. Now I will add cheese. So all the toasts are done. Now it's time to cook them. For cooking our garlic bread, I am taking this kadai with the lid, and we will keep the flame on the lowest. Since our toasts are buttered on both of the sides, so we don't need to grease this kadai. Now I'll gently place this inside the kadai. Now I will put the lid on, and then we will cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until that cheese is completely melted. So it has been 2 to 3 minutes and I can see that cheese is melted. So now let's remove it from the heat. Now it's time for taste test. that was all for today. If you enjoyed today's recipe, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you in another video. Till then, bye bye.